In this video, I'm going to be showing you a particular product that helped me make over 2 million naira in profits. This product is a very powerful hot problem solving product that helped me make over 2 million naira in profits in the year 2019. And if you choose to sell it today using the same strategies and tips that I'm going to share in this video, you can make some good money too. I'm not assuring you that you make 2 million naira because everything is all according to your inputs, your expertise, and your level of investment. So the result you get varies. So, but if you implement what I'm about to show you today, you can still make good money from selling these products. So now let's move on. So some years ago, I sold a particular problem solving product that generated over 2 billion naira in profits for me. This is a problem solving product I imported from China and brought it to Nigeria and sold it to the mass market. I sold it for about 18,000 naira and I was making about 11 to 10,000 naira profit by the time you minus ad spend and delivery. That's what I was making. I was making that amount of profit per sale. So I'm going to show you that product today. One thing that is great about this product is that you can sell it to any part of the world. Even if you're not in Nigeria, even if you're in Ghana, Rwanda, South Africa, wherever you're watching this video from, you can import this product from China and sell it in your home base. And also, if you're in Nigeria or wherever you are, you want to expand it to different countries, you can actually sell this product in different countries of your choice as far as you know your way. In the Millionaire Maker World Product Blueprint, I'm going to show you how to expand your e-commerce business to different other African countries. But I'm going to show you the product that helped me make this amount of money. So let's move on. So the another interesting fact about this product is that it does not require a complicated sales funnel to sell. You don't need to convince and convince and convince. As far as you have good videos, good images, and a high converting sales page, you can make people buy your product. And if you have a good offer, a good price, you can make people buy your product. You can actually create a two-step funnel and cash out like mad. Or I mean a three-step funnel. Now, what is the three-step funnel? Your three-step funnel will only consist of your Facebook ad. From your Facebook ad, when they'll see your ad, they'll click and they'll come to your sales page. They read everything about the product and then they order for it and then they'll come to your thank you page. That is all about it. Now, I'm going to show you everything about this product. So let's move on. Now this is the product. You have the electric lunch box. This is the product that I sold. It's a product that I sold and made a lot of profit. This is electric lunch box. Now, why did this product sell? I'm sure you might be thinking, what is so special about this product that made it sell? Now, what was the problems? What made this product sell for me is that it solves a particular problem. This lunch box helps keep your food warm on the go. This is for people who are always on the go but want to keep their food warm anytime they want to eat. There are some people that don't have the time to sit down in one place and eat. Like people who are working, they are doing their 9 to 5, they are having to go to be their business every day and they don't like eating outside, but they want to be able to eat warm home cooked food every single time. That is the catchment phrase that I use. Eat warm home cooked food anywhere you are with this electric lunchbox. That was my catchment. That was my unique selling point that helped me sell this product very well. So if this type of people now encounter this type of product, they will want to buy it because they don't have all the time to sit down at home and be eating home cooked food. Maybe they are always on the go, they are always in traffic, they are always in their place of work and they work late hours, but they want to be able to cook food from their house and take it and eat it in their work when it's warm. These products will help them warm their food. It has an inbuilt warming feature that helps heat their food, their cold food, when they plug it to any electricity wherever they are. It's like carrying a microwave wherever they are. A white microwave in a lunchbox. You can see all the catchment phrase. I've given you like two catchment unique selling point that you can use to sell these products. Eat number one catchment phrase or number one unique selling point is eat home cooked food wherever you are with this electric lunchbox. Eat home cooked warm food wherever you are with this electric lunchbox. You can also say you have a portable microwave in this electric lunchbox. All they need to do is put their food inside this electric lunchbox and then take it to their office. When they are ready to eat, they unplug it, they plug it to electricity. It warms their food, making it warm. They open it and they eat. Instead of them having to look for microwave to warm their food, they have a lunch box that can help them keep their food warm. So what we are going to do now, we are going to check this product out in Alibaba and Amazon so that we can see the products, how much is being sold for, how much is sold on Alibaba, and how much the potential we can sell it for, and then the reviews about it. Those are the three things we are going to check. We are going to check the cost price, we are going to check the selling price, and we're also going to check the reviews to show you that this product is a product we can sell. So let's go. So the first thing is you just go to alibaba.com and search for electric lunchbox. You will see different products, but if you scroll down you will see the products. You look at the products here, you can see it's sold for $3. That's less than 5,000 naira, and that person is selling for $5 to $8 depending on the amount you are buying. This Alibaba people dey sell based on MOQ. If you are buying one, you are going to buy it for about $8 and then pay for shipping. But if you are buying more and more, the more quantity you buy, the lesser the price. Then they will now charge you for your shipping. So if you check here, you see different prices. You can see this one selling for $0.34 to $3.90. So you can see different prices. If you want to sell this product, what you need to do is buy one first. Buy one, test the quality, check it and say okay this product is of good quality before you now go and order in bulk. That's what I did that time. That helped me sell the product. I know because some people will just rush and go and buy it, and then after they will now discover that oh the quality is not top notch. So if you want to sell or import from China, you can actually buy one and also buy one and then test it and see the quality, and then before you now go and import it in bulk. Now these are all of them here. You can chat them up. I have a chat script. If you want to chat up a Chinese supplier to buy this product, I have a script that I can use to chat all these people, because you don't just approach them like that. There's a way you approach them that will make them see you as a big company, that will make them enthusiastic to want to do business with you. So I have a chat script that I will give you in the Millionaire Maker Hot Product Blueprint in case you want to start selling this product. Now let's say that you have chatted this person up, and also you have already you have traded this person up and you want to now sell it for a profit. You want to sell this product for a profit. How much can you sell it? What we are going to do is to go to Amazon and check the potential selling price that we can sell this product. If we buy this product for $5 or $4, that's about 4,000 to 5,000 naira. How much can we sell this product for profit? I sold mine for about 18,000 naira back then, but now on Amazon, let's check the price. So this person here is selling this product on Amazon and they sold it to about 11,000 people, and they are selling this product for about $39. So you can see this about 40,000 naira. They're selling it about 40,000 naira. So you can see that it has increased in value. So if you want to sell it, you can actually sell it to them for 40,000 naira, or you can even sell it lower or higher. Anyone that is for you. You know your cost. By the time you add your delivery fee, your shipping fee, and everything, you should know exactly how much you want to sell this product. So this is it now, $39. So let's check. This is everything about the product here. You can use all these things for your sales page, but let's check the reviews about it, because reviews matter a lot. So you can see it works great and it lasts up to 5 hours warm. You can see my husband love this woman, heats up on low food and ready to eat. You can see different reviews. So you can see that this product is a good product that will sell day in and day out. As far as you can give people a good product and a good offer. So that's the potential. Now, what if you don't want to sell it? You don't want to buy from China? You can actually source this product on Gigi. You just go to Gigi.com. Go to Gigi.com to source the product. Search for electric lunchbox. Still loading. Let's wait for it to load a little bit. Electric lunch box. Now you can see it here. It's even selling for 4,000 naira on GG. Selling for, if you search down, you will see different. You can see it for 5,500. You can see there everything is selling there. So you can actually source the product from here and then sell it. Now, so that is how it is. In case you don't want to buy from China, so let's move on. I don't want to make this video too long. So now, so I've talked about what the product solves. Is an electric lunchbox that helps you warm your food on the go. So let's next thing. Now, what will you need to sell these products? Number one, you will need videos and images to run ads. You will need videos and images. You need videos of the products and you need images of the products. So you can buy this product and then take videos or make videos. You can make your own practical videos of it, and you can also source for videos online. I will more advise you to just use videos that you see online. Even if you want to use videos you want to see online, you can use that to test the product. But when you want to sell this product and sell it for a very long period of time, create your own videos and your own images so that your Facebook will consider you as unique and they will not be banning your ads all the time. Very important. You will need videos and images. You can use your phone to take images of the product. The next thing is your Facebook ad copy and headlines. Like I told you before, I gave you two catchment phrases you can use to run this. You can say an electric, you can say portable microwave in a lunch box. You can say eat warm home cooked meals wherever you are with this electric lunch box. You can see that as the catchment phrase. So that's all for this. You need Facebook ad copy. In my Millionaire Maker House product blueprint, I show you how to do all these things on your own so that you can actually start selling your product. I detailed all this in the Millionaire Maker House product blueprint. If you have not gotten our course, link in the description. So the next thing is you need a high converting sales page. This is like the most important part of this product. A high converting sales page that will explain to the customer how this product will make their life better, how this product will solve their problem. You need a high converting sales page. That is what I use. And in the Millionaire Maker Hub product blueprints, I have a sales page template that you can use to actually sell these products. You can use that sales page template to create a good sales page that will make customers beg you to take their money for this product. Get that course, is very important. Now also you need delivery agents in high catchment areas. What I did is that because this product is very expensive, I did not want to just go and buy the product in bulk and then keep them and just go and sell it anywhere. What I did is I have selected catchment areas like Lagos, Abuja, Delta State and all those catchment areas. I just put the product in all those areas that I get a lot of orders from, so that whenever a customer orders for this product, I deliver it same day. That is how you run this ad. So I have delivery agents in all these states. I have all the details of this delivery agent in the Millionaire Maker House product blueprint. In case you want to sell this product, you can get that course. So you can get access to my list of delivery agents that will help you warehouse this product and also help you deliver the product to the customer. Understand? It works very well. So that is it for this. You need delivery agents, you need your videos and your images, you need your Facebook ad copy and headlines, and you also need delivery agents to help you deliver your products. So let me recommend a course that will teach you how to set up a proper campaign for this product in case you want to sell it. If you want to sell this product, you need to get the right resources that will help you. And my course, Millionaire Maker Product Blueprints, is the right course that will teach you how to go about all this. What will you learn from this course? I will show you how to import from China very fast. If you go to the normal route of importing from China, you are going to wait at least 1 month to get this product. But if you follow my blueprint, you will get your product in 1 week. I will show you how to create attention grabbing Facebook ad copy angles to attract attention to your ad, because attention is the rule of the game. If you can get people attention, you are more likely to get that sale. I will show you how to get attention with your Facebook ad copy. And also I will show you how to use Canva to design attention grabbing videos to get massive orders. I'll show you how to use Canva to design attention grabbing videos. And also I will show you how to write high converting sales page. Like I said, the sales page is where the sales will happen. It is where your customer will make a buying decision. So if your sales page is not top notch, they will bounce out of your website. But if your sales page is convincing and high converting, they will order for your product and buy from you. I'll show you how to do that in the Millionaire Maker Host Product Blueprints. And also, I will show you how to run ads to target and follow up your interested customers until they give up and buy. Because not everybody that will click on your ad will buy your product at once. But when you run Facebook ads using my blueprints, using my strategy, I will show you how to use your ads to follow your customers wherever they are, whether on Facebook or Instagram. I'll show you how to use your ads, your Facebook ads, to follow them until they give up procrastinating and buy from you. That's what I'll show you in the Millionaire Maker Product Blueprint. And I'll also show you how to confirm your orders in a way that makes potential customers enthusiastic to buy. Once they order from you, there's a way you will talk to your customer that will make the customer excited and say, I want to buy this product, bring it, bring it, bring it, bring it. I will show you how to do that with my Millionaire Maker Horse Product Blueprints. And also, I will share with you delivery agents that will help you the warehouse and deliver your products and remit your money the same day. I will show you delivery agent that can help you do all that. So to get this course at an affordable price, all you need to do is click on the link in the description and get it. You will see I will explain everything about this course in the link in the description. So do well to get that course. It's very important in case you want to do this business, you want to sell this product, you have to learn how to do it so that you will not make mistakes in future, because one of the things that make people fail in e-commerce is that they make silly mistakes that burn their money. So get that course is very important. So thank you for watching. I hope that this video has impacted you have learned something from this video. I hope you have learned something. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video. Don't be treating me anyhow. I'm showing you expo things that can help you make money in 2024. Please like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I make a new video, you'll be the first person to be alerted. And if you have any questions, ask me in the comment section and I will answer you. And even if you don't have any question, just say good job, Victor. Thank you for this expo, and I'll be happy to hear from you. Thank you very, very much, and I'll see you later.